Inflatables are a fun, no-fuss way to celebrate the holidays. They're usually pre-lit, energy-efficient, and easy to store. Here's what you'll need to keep them in great shape for the years to come. While most inflatables are rain-resistant and very durable, it's best to bring them indoors during heavy winds or snow. And if you notice an inflatable is leaking air, use duct tape or heavy-duty clear packaging tape to patch it. It's also important to clean inflatables, especially before storing them. If necessary, use a mixture of mild soap and warm water to remove any caked-on grime. Then wipe them clean to remove any remaining soap and let them fully air dry before deflating. To store your inflatables, use the original packaging when possible, and make sure to follow any special instructions provided by the manufacturer regarding the fan or special features like zips and vents. If you no longer have the original box, store them in lidded storage bins. After labeling the bins, place them in a cool, dry location so they'll be in optimal shape for next year. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.